If you wake up reaching for your phone instead of clear guidance, this episode is for you. I'll walk you through a gentle 5-minute ritual with Angel Ambriel and a clarity set of crystals for focused, protected, and clearly guided before the world asks you for your energy. Now, I'm going to admit right off that I work on reaching for my journals and connecting with my own angelic guides and crystals before I reach for my phone. I'm not always successful. On those days that I am, these are some crystals that you can also, I'm just seeing I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see it in here. Anyway, this guy, my clear quartz, just showed me his rainbow. That's why I got a little distracted there. So this is clear quartz. Do you have to have a really large one? No. Use what you have. This is Orca Agate, courage, songs of forgiveness, communication. And then this is Amethyst Calcite. And it is empowerment stone, past life healing, higher self connection, and mental clarity. So, Ambrielle, yes, I'm reading from my notes. Okay. Truth and clarity help erase layers of self doubt, surrender into trust and faith. Now, to me, surrender is about giving up fear and doubt and giving in to trust and faith. Okay. So you may have clear quartz, more than likely, hopefully. Don't have orca agate or amethyst, calcite amethyst. Use what you have, and you can add something else to your collection later. Okay, so these are the ones that, because it really takes courage to reach for guidance and then to follow it. And it's not always easy. It's like, oh my God, I don't want to do that. And every time I record a video or go live, I get to reach within and find the courage to do this. I've been doing this for 25 years off and on. And it's like, can I do this? Can I really give to y'all what is within me, what's coming through me for you? You take a deep breath and you do it. Okay, so what do you want guidance for today? Maybe there's something that you're working on or something that you're healing. So take a deep breath. Have your crystal set in front of you. Now, these are kind of big, so it's hard for me to hold them all up at the same time for you. There we go. Okay. They're right here in front of me, and they're in this order. So the clear quartz, the amethyst calcite, and then the orca agate. And you can have them close together. You can have them touching each other, so you can put your hands on top of all three. Again, if you don't have all three of these, use what you have. Put your hands, just putting my hands over this set of crystals. My feet are flat on the ground. Now, if you prefer a different pose and you have a sacred space and you have a meditation mat or even a meditation shawl, I have one hanging up. I didn't think to bring it with. I'm not going to stop this to get it. You can put your shawl over you. You can use whatever pose you like. Just breathe, open your mind, open your heart. And you can say something as simple as, what message do you have for me right now? And the message could be as simple as, raise your shields so that unwanted lower vibrations don't come right at you in your face, so that you are still aware of them and you can see them or sense them, but they don't affect you as much. You can ask, please help me choose wisely today. If there are matters of finance and abundance, please help me manage my finances and my abundance the best way possible for this moment. Help me to make wise decisions. Pick one. And then just be in the silence. It would be good to have a notebook or something to write with right next to you so that you can write down what you see in your mind, the images that are given, the colors, the sensation, any I don't want to say mental mental messages or verbal, but what you feel in your head, when you are sensing the difference or discerning the difference between conscious mind chitter chatter, the noise, and the intuitive hits or the messages that you're receiving, if it's coming from right here, not to be confused with your third eye chakra. So if the message is here, then your third eye chakra is a little above. If the message feels anywhere in your forehead, right in the front of your forehead, that is your conscious mind. That is not of the higher vibrations. It's not from spirit. It's not from source. It's definitely not from your angels or your higher self. Okay? So identify where in your head, could be behind your left ear, your right ear, a little bit below the back of the base of your neck, the back of your head, one side or the other. Wherever that spot is, it's always going to be in the same spot. Never here, never there. Okay? So what comes? It may come in the moment, it may come a little bit later. And then you get to choose whether or not to follow that guidance. It can be simple, or you can make it like super complicated. Try to keep it simple. It will be easier to understand. It will be easier to recognize. And after you're done, again, I'm going to see if I can hold these three up there so you can see its front side. Okay, these are the ones that wanted to be with you in this episode. Remember to thank your angel, thank your higher self, and your crystals for being with you. Now, do you have to choose the very same set of crystals every day? No. Here's something that may or may not be something that you thought of or had insights about. Using the same three will help you connect more easily because you are using and connecting with the same ones. Now, my suggestion is you have a nice piece of kyanite or selenite and put these either next to the selenite or kyanite or have those pieces near, bring them in so that your clarity crystal set is clear and as connected with their own higher energies for maximum effect for you whenever you want them. Okay, until next time, subscribe so that you can catch up or, see the next in the series because it's coming soon. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.